guys, sorry my voice is a little nasally as I was getting the fishing gear together for tonight. Something in my shed's got my allergies going, but yeah, so basically we got this blizzard incoming, or so they're calling it, a blizzard, calling for, I think now they said 10 to 14 inches in the Ocean City area here. That'll be the most snow we've seen in quite a while. Last I remember was around 2000 and what was that, 2012 maybe, or maybe longer than that ago. I remember I worked at a hotel where they let me stay for like 3 or 4 nights because it was like, I think we got 20 inches that time or something. But anyways, hasn't snowed that much here in a while. We thought, why don't we try and go fish right before the blizzard, maybe even at the start of the blizzard. I haven't fished too often in the snow. I've hunted in the snow, but never fished and caught fish in the snow. So I don't know what time it's gonna start snowing. They also moved that back to 9 or 10 p.m. now, and we're gonna start pretty much right at dark. It's 5 p.m. now, January 26th, I believe it is. And as you can see on the dash, it is 37 degrees outside. And we're gonna drive into town and scope out the conditions. I'm sorry, it's the 28th. See, I don't even know what day it is. All I know is the weather. Can we fish or can we not fish? So, like I said, we're gonna go see what we can do. We are heading into Ocean City now to just scope out the situation, see what the water's doing, the tide's doing, and scope out a couple spots. And hopefully we can find somewhere and catch some, probably striper. That's probably all that's biting this time of year with the water being so cold and the temperature so cold. I don't see any point in even trying to target another species. We're just going to go for striper. And we'll probably do the regular 50 bridge, east and west side. And maybe, depending on our luck, try my little secret spot. But we'll see. So stay tuned, and we'll be checking back in with you guys shortly. Whitecaps, low wind, that's a good start. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I've scoped everything out. It's honestly looking prime. Other than being chilly, it's 38, 39 degrees outside right now. It's pretty much dead high tide right now, about to start outgoing, which is one of my favorite times to fish, the beginning of outgoing tide, and the wind's still low, so it's honestly looking like prime and perfect. We just have one problem. As you guys may know him, Dong Life, my partner I'm typically fishing with, must have partied a little too hard on Thirsty Thursday, or his phone broke, one or the other. But we're gonna go by his house and mess with him, see if he's asleep, and if he is, we're waking his beep up and going fishing, because this is about to be epic. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'm just rolling up at Dong's spot. I'm not really sure what to expect, but we're gonna see what happens. Everything's dark, he might not even be here. Yo! Yo, Dong! He's alive. Party a little hard too last night. Yes, party a little hard. Alright, deja vu, we're back. The very beginning of the blizzard of 2022. Starting tonight, we're supposed to get, I don't know, 10 inches now, are they saying, or 14 or something. But we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Hopefully it starts snowing while we're out here, but we'll see what happens. Be pretty cool if it did. Alright, let's see if we can catch anything. It's not too bad out yet. A little bit of wind out here, but not too bad. Alright, no luck on this side, on to spot number 2. Gonna go see how we can do over there. If you guys remember last time he caught one first cast over there, so gonna see if that changes anything. It's like 37 degrees, snow is on the way, but it's not too bad out here yet, surprisingly. I do have a hot hands out, but other than that, we're good. So we'll check in with you when the fish are biting. We're gonna go assess the situation. It is a little bit chilly out, but not too bad. See where our best chance of catching some fish are. Wow, that truck's super loud, so you guys probably didn't hear anything we just said, but check that. We stopped just in time. It's starting to rain now. Hopefully this turns into snow, and we are gonna give it one more shot at the special spot. See if we can't catch at least one fish at the beginning of the blizzard of 2022. Hopefully we can make this happen. Okay, the blizzard is here. It's freezing rain turning into snow. It's getting windy. Blizzard-like conditions, but we're gonna catch a rockfish right now. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Can we pull in a hungry rockfish in a blizzard? Yeah, it's definitely a little bit crazy out here, but
it's probably better you got that after now.
Yeah. Definitely moving. And you're right, there is only one light on. I'll have to tell my buddy. Only one light cranking. This is definitely going to be a challenge, but I think we can do it. It is snowing sideways right now, and we are going to catch us a rockfish. Walking by the dock here. Man, those conditions switched up quick. Gonna make it tough on us. It was a little bit nicer at the bridge. The fishing gods aren't making it easy on us. Got one light out and crazy weather. Try the old teabagging method. Yeah, it got pretty gnarly pretty quick. I said it got pretty gnarly pretty quick. This is definitely blizzard-like conditions. Oh, I thought that was a hit. What was that? These fish gotta be hungry in a blizzard, right? They gotta be hungry in a blizzard. We're not giving up yet, but we're getting close.
What's that?
I said we're not giving up yet, but we're getting close. It's getting pretty treacherous. It's crazy how fast it got like this. It was literally calm like 5 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago. The water's not really clear enough for him to see. I said it's definitely coming down. It's coming down sideways. Man, just one fish. That's all we need. Just to say we did it. Man, there was no wind like 20 minutes ago. Try back down this end. Are that dogs barking?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Somebody better bring their dog in. Man, oh man. The blizzard kicked in too quick. Yeah, we might have to call it quits.
I just can't even feel my shit.
Yeah, I know. It's so windy. Nah, believe me, I can't feel this. Well, at least we tried. If we would have came a little bit earlier, we'd have probably caught fish, but then we wouldn't have been fishing in a blizzard. So we tried the challenge. You can't win every time. That's why it's fishing and not catching. No, I'm done. We can call it. We tried. It would have just been awesome to catch a fish in the blizzard, but hey, it is what it is. We tried. That's all that counts. Literally, you can't even feel what's going on down there.
And I feel like by now I'm gonna got a bite.
Yeah, of course.
We got a bite.
At this spot, for sure. All right, back to the truck we had. I don't know how much the GoPro is picking up, but as you can see, it is definitely blizzarding out. I think we underestimated the power of the blizzard. That was fun though. It was an awesome challenge. We should have probably went to the special spot earlier before it got super gnarly out, but at least we had fun trying, you know. Hey, that's what keeps us coming back and fishing, is those times you don't catch them, you want to try again. Now next time it snows, I'm like determined, I gotta catch a fish in the snow. It's a new challenge for me. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and lots more to come. Stay tuned. Thanks. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. See you next time.